Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung phone without the password. And this is very easy to do. So we have to hold down the power button here, and then the volume down button. And this is going to force restart our phone. Then after we force reset it and it's turned off, we have to switch to the power button, the volume up, and then the Bixby button. So let's do that now. So your phone might have a little bit different button combination where you have to switch them. Like you have to hold down the power button first and then the volume up or something like that. But let's just do this right now. So volume button down and power button. This will take a screenshot. And then it should restart my phone here after about 5 to 10 seconds. Then hold down the Bixby button, the third button, volume up, and then power. So you can see I have that third button held down now. When you see the name of the phone, you can let go. So there's a Bixby button, volume up, power. So 3 different buttons. Now we can use the volume down and go to where it says wipe data factory reset right here, and then select power. And this will wipe the data off your Samsung phone without the password. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.